Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing sturdy but flexible paper and a repositionable adhesive. That combination makes big sticky notes usable and erasable. Once you have materials, measure and mark the exact final size with a ruler and pencil, keeping consistent margins so the adhesive won't bleed to the note face. Make sure to cut on a protected surface to avoid damage. Begin cutting slowly and deliberately so edges stay straight. This first step sets the quality for every sheet that follows. Next, you test the adhesive on scrap to confirm a light, tacky bond. Permanent glue ruins repositionability. Once satisfied, apply a thin adhesive line, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, along the top edge of each sheet, keeping it uniform so each note peels cleanly. Allow tack to develop for a minute if needed, then stack sheets precisely aligned. Use clamps or a heavy weight to compress the stack. This ensures the adhesive transfers consistently, and that peeling will be predictable when you're done. To finish, allow the adhesive to cure for 1 to 2 hours so tack stabilizes, then test a corner to confirm clean release. Once satisfied, do a final trim of any uneven edges so notes look professional, and label or package piles for use. If you encounter problems, if notes stick too strongly, reduce adhesive width or dab solvent to soften. If they don't stick, slightly roughen the paper edge or increase adhesive area. Make adjustments and retest until peeling is smooth and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.